Provisioning and orchestration takes an important role in the management and optimization of heterogeneous infrastructures from HPC, private public cloud, and edge through Kubernetes. With the mooring stack, we are addressing the difficulty of manual deployments and lack of TOSCA compliance, providing means to the automation and of the provisioning, deployment, and orchestration of applications on target infrastructure. With it, we are agnostic to the choice between various HPC, private and public cloud, and edge environments, and the appropriate scalability of applications. With this technology, we are offering through IAC the choice between various HPC, cloud, and edge environments and scalability of applications. This system is TOSCA compliant in the runtime images built, supporting full or partial redeployment and refactoring of the TOSCA blueprints. It is inclusive in its orchestration for building heterogeneous runtime images. It equips the user with truly concurrent provisioning and reconfiguration of infrastructure and deployment of applications, and ensures deployment, orchestration, and provisioning relying on mature technologies. Now, using mooring, we can show how to automate the creation of TOSCA resource models using the platform discovery service for the target infrastructure that we can instruct and that stores those models in the knowledge base for reuse. We take the target to be OpenStack, name this test, input the JSON file with the description and the infrastructure we want to address selected from the local file system. The platform discovery service then updates the platform, and we can use the knowledge base browser view to see the properties as reported to be a successful process. Then we can retrieve this model on the local working space and will be available to fine-tune and reuse. You can know more about Sodalite's mooring stack from the tutorials and demos in our YouTube channel. Now, using the mooring, we can show how to request the image builder to create an image. And the exploitation of the full stack Sodalite solution finds opportunity in easing the work of DevOps experts, but also to the data scientists that lack the expertise but require the infrastructure and application optimization. In the past 3 years, we have been building realistic business plans, building on 5 well-defined key exploitable results based on the appropriate IPR management and on overall market assessment and the individual and joint exploitation plans reported by the consortium partners and IP owners. We consider a business offer with 3 tiers, 2 of which are already available in the end of the project, and for on-premise installations supported by testbed trial and 1 other in preparation beyond the lifetime of the project. The core differentiation between licenses will be based on the limited features and deployments and the static dynamic application optimization capabilities. Our early adopters are well positioned in impactful areas, connected cars, in silico clinical trials, and environmental efficiency. Sodalite is helping them in improving infrastructure to enable better deep learning, preserving privacy preserving in fleets of vehicles, or allowing for the virtualization of healthcare. While in the environmental efficiency scenario, mooring simplifies the transition from staging to testing to operation, easing the migration of from in-house to external infrastructures. It orchestrates the deployment of clinical use case workflow into various infrastructures and allows application developers to model the application-specific parts of the deployment within IoT automotive. the resourceful team that was built in the lifetime of the project and the existing expertise and potential within the partners is key to the exploitation potential of the QERs. How our advisories point out the potential of the innovations of Sodalite and the excellence of achieved results. Get to know more about Sodalite through the results published in the Horizon Results platform, the online news made available by HPC Wire and IPIC, the many inspiring events that we are taking part of, and of course, our newsletter, blog, product page, and social media. Thank you for your attention.